Hi, my name is Elvio Gaba. Today we are going to continue with our medical term presentation, and today we're going to define 20 words that we're going to use in sentences. The first word, which is actually an acronym, is EOMI, which means extraocular movement intact. Extraocular movement intact. For example, an eye exam could reveal that pupils are equal round, reactive to light with extraocular movement intact. The next word is CAD, which is also an acronym. It means coronary artery disease. Coronary artery disease, for example, a coronary artery disease is the most common type of heart disease and is the leading cause of death in the United States. The next word, which is also an acronym, is the PND. PND is the paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. For example, PND is a sign of heart failure that makes people lose their breath while they're laying down. The next word is also an acronym, which is MRI. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. For example, MRI is the test that uses magnetic field and pulses of radio wave energy to make pictures of organs and structures inside the body. The next word, also an acronym, TSH. TSH means thyroid stimulating hormone. For example, a TSH blood test is used to detect problems affecting the thyroid gland. Next word is bradycardia. Bradycardia means slow heart rate. For example, a pacemaker is the most effective treatment for bradycardia. The next word is trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is the infestation with trichomonas. For example, the symptoms of trichomoniasis include yellow, green or gray vaginal discharge. The next word is pyrogenic. Pyrogenics means inducing fever. For example, pyrogenic reaction may occur depending upon the substances injected and the endotoxin content. The next word is syndactylism. Syndactylism basically means fingers or toes that are fused. For example, syndactylism is an autosomal recessive congenital malformation syndrome. The next word is oncogenesis. Oncogenesis means tumor forming. For example, oncogenesis is a process by which normal cells are transformed into cancer. The next word is transillumination. Transillumination is a technique of sample elimination by transformation. Transillumination is a technique of sample elimination by transmission of light through the sample. For example, transillumination may be required to diagnose hydrocephalus in newborns or infants. The next word is mammography. Mammography is the process of using low energy X-ray to examine the human breast. For example, a mammography is used as a diagnostic and screening tool. The next word is catheterization. Catheterization is the insertion of a catheter into a chamber or a vessel. For example, cardiac catheterization is the medical procedure used to diagnose and treat certain heart conditions. The next word is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous It means consisting of dissimilar elements. For example, a classroom made of students from different backgrounds is heterogeneous. The next word is septicemia. Septicemia means presence of bacteria in the blood. For example, septicemia is a serious life-threatening infection that can get worse quickly. The next word is aberrant. Aberrant means deviating from normal. For example, aberrant gene expression is a major cause for disease, including various forms of cancer. The next word is poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis is a viral disease that can lead to partial or full paralysis. For example, poliomyelitis is a disease caused by infection with poliovirus. The next word is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is the thinning of bone tissue and the loss of bone density. For example, osteoporosis symptoms may be bone pain, bone tenderness. The next word is hydrocephalus. Hydrocephalus means enlarged head due to fluid accumulation. For example, the symptoms of hydrocephalus vary with age. The next and final word is amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a test that detects chromosomal abnormality of the fetus. For example, amniocentesis test is usually performed between 15 and 17 months of between 15 and 17 weeks of pregnancy. These are the 20 medical terms that we try to define today. We also try to use them in sentences to make it more easily understandable and easily explainable. And we hope you learn something, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.